smile that makes the sun rise.
Hey everyone, I hope you are having a fantastic weekend. I started recording this video thinking maybe I would get some spring cleaning done and then quickly realized I don't want to do spring cleaning. So today's video is me doing random things around the house, still cleaning, but avoiding the spring cleaning process. These sheets I'm taking off my bed are actually one of my favorite sets of sheets ever, but they don't really match the neutral theme that I've been going for since I switched out my bedding in my last video.
You, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only.
I got a new laptop for work this week, so I'm going to swap out the old one for the new one, and the docking station for the new one actually has different connections than the old one, so I had to move my desk and swap out some cables while I was connecting it. But once I got everything organized and put back together, I just have to make sure the new cables are long enough so they don't pull stuff off the desk when it goes up and down.
Love, yeah. We do this every day, we do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love.
When I started this video today, I didn't really have a plan in place for cleaning. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Most of the time it's just like, okay, I need to do the living room, the den, the kitchen. But today was just a kind of chill day where I just let the cleaning take me wherever it was gonna go. Also, if you've been here for any period of time, you've seen me paint and repaint these black doors. I am happy to report that since I took all of the original paint off, sanded and repainted them the correct way, I don't have a single chip or ding. They still look as perfect as the day I painted them.
Oh, Emily, when did you
And here's me killing time thinking about what I'm gonna do next. Do you guys ever have those days where you don't want to clean, but you have to clean? There's something you need to do, but you don't want to do it. That's pretty much me today. I'm just kind of going through the motions, doing what needs to be done, but I don't really want to be doing any of it.
It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily,
I got this new stand mixer the day before I'm actually recording this video, and when I went to go put it away in my pantry where I keep all of my other appliances, it didn't fit. So I needed to take one out in order to put this one where all the other ones are, but I don't have enough room. So that was also kind of a deciding factor about cleaning off those shelves in my laundry room so I could store some of my appliances. All of the stuff on the top shelf is pretty much just stored there because that's where it's always been since I moved into this house. The very first basket that you saw me just take down has Aquasana filters for the water filter system that's under my kitchen sink. This basket is a container of pet stuff, which I don't need to keep in here. And then the third one is a basket of light bulbs. So I'm moving all of this stuff out to the garage, and I'm eventually going to put it on the shelves I have out there. The spray that I'm using here is the LA Totally Awesome spray from Dollar Tree. I think you're supposed to dilute it. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm just spraying it directly from the bottle. And as soon as I started spraying it, I started sneezing. I had every intention of reorganizing and making this a little bit more user-friendly for when I grab cleaning supplies, cleaning rags, dish towels. But then once I did all the organizing and I put things on the top shelf, I remembered why I had light bulbs and pet stuff on the top shelf. It's because I can't reach anything up there. Now, this is funny. When I reach for this white tray, I know it's not going to fit in this basket. My brain knows, my eyes know. I know it's not going to fit in this basket, but I still try to put it in this basket. The things I'm putting on the top shelf over here on this right hand corner are things that I do use pretty regularly, like my salad spinner and those egg trays, but I can squeeze in between the dryer and the wall to be able to reach that top shelf. All of the other stuff on the top shelf I absolutely cannot reach without standing on a ladder.
Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
This is me contemplating life decisions about why I put things that I reach for on a regular basis on the top shelf. As you can see here, even standing on my tippy toes, I can't even get close to reaching these baskets. So I'm going to do what I should have done the first time and put them where I can actually reach them.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless.
I have quite a few vases here for someone who only gets flowers like twice a year, Mother's Day and then maybe on my birthday. I always think I'm going to be that person that buys fresh flowers and keeps them in the house, and I see them in the store and I think, oh, those would look so nice, but then I'm like, no, they're just going to die. I also got this water bottle out, washed it, dried it, cleaned it, filled it with water because I was motivated again to start drinking at least 64 ounces of water every day. I am happy to report no, I'm not. I have not even used it a single time. I did fill it up that day. I did wash it, dry it, and fill it up, and I had every intention of drinking that entire thing of water. Didn't use it that day, haven't used it since.
I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone.
Inside my house, I have that little bar area. Well, it's not really it is a bar area, but it's not technically what it is. It's actually a computer desk that has the front. It's in my dining room, right between the living room and the dining room, if you know what I'm talking about. These two bookshelves here actually are supposed to flank either side of it. They're the matching bookshelves that I don't use for that or any of it what it was intended for, but it makes excellent storage out here in my garage. So everything that was in my laundry room, like those light bulbs and all of that pet stuff that I don't use every day, is more well suited out here. So I'm just gonna reorganize this a little bit, put all that stuff on the shelves here in my garage, and call it a day.
I wanna give you a million things, 'cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again, something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, 'cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you.
Usually whenever I unload the dishwasher, I take everything out of the racks and just put it on the counter in front of the cabinet wherever it goes. Once everything is unloaded, I can quickly put it away right in the cabinet where it's sitting.
To feel like this, yeah, we could try to leave it all behind. And we don't have to think about it, oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new. Then I would have what it takes, make you feel like you're safe. Cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up.
Thanks again for selecting my video to spend a few minutes of your time getting some cleaning motivation, watching me do some random things around my house while I avoid the spring cleaning process. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I will see you next week.